In this module, I'll show you how to feature your accomplishments in your profile. Adding accomplished content to your profile will attract prospects and increase your credibility in LinkedIn. All you need to do is add a new profile section to your profile. You can find that option on the right side of the screen here. LinkedIn provides you with a lot of sections that you can add to your profile. Say, for example, you have a published book and you want to add it as part of your accomplishment. Choose the Publication option under the Accomplishment tab, and you'll be prompted to add all the necessary details about your content. Start filling in all the details from the title, publisher, publication date, and all the way to the URL and description if necessary. Save it once you are done. If you scroll down, you can see that your publication is featured in your profile under the Accomplishments section. That's how you add your featured accomplishment and content in LinkedIn. In the next and final module for LinkedIn, I'll show you how you can start advertising your content.